Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to Check Family. Got my son here. We're gonna be opening up some Pokemon cards. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also hit that subscribe button down below to follow all of our videos for the upcoming rest of these weeks and the upcoming months and into the summer as well. Alrighty, so we're gonna be about to be getting into some Cosmic Eclipse, the Sun and Moon ones. So we'll open up some packs here and let's get into it. Alrighty guys, we're going to be opening up some Cosmic Eclipse. We got the Celebi one, and we also got the Victini 3-pack with the coin as well. So I'll be opening up mine first, and then my son will be opening up his as well. So let's get into it while we can. So hopefully we get some good packs. Got that one. Let's pull these out. I gotta grab this coin.
You really trying.
Alright, sweet. So we got that coin right there. Alrighty. And we got the little Celebi card. Alrighty, and let's get into some packs. So there's the code for anybody who follows that. And we'll do 4 card for the magic trick. All right, so we got the energy, and then we got type null, challenge element. We got Erica. We got Sneasel. Got Natu. Ooh, Natu. How you do right there? Got Trapnich. We got Spiel.
I already have that.
Got Passamin. We got the Whimsicott. We got the reverse hollow. And for the rare, we got Blastoise and Piplup. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Hope you guys can see that.
That's insane.
First pack magic, baby. Look at that. That is perfect. We're definitely gonna have to put that as a sleeve.
It's a tag team too.
And it's a tag team Blastoise
150.
GX.
It does as much as my Pikachu.
Perfect. Alrighty, let's get into the next pack. Alright, so we got these. Alright. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we got the Fairy Energy. Perfect.
I love Fairy Energy.
Alright, we got Tag Team.
Ooh, Mallow. Oh, I'm keeping
Mallow and Lana. We got Pyroar.
I swear to God, if you got another GX,
Pokémon.
I'm taking all of them.
Cosmog.
Actually.
Slugma. We got Whalmer.
You got,
Poniard. We got Togedemaru.
And,
We got the Gallade.
one game that.
That is a perfect hollow. And for the rare is a Swanna. Alright.
That's not a rare. You should have did the other one as a rare.
Perfect. Alright, so let's get into our last pack.
Then I'm opening mine.
Then he'll open his. Alright. Alright, so there's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can put that energy to the front. Perfect. Alright, so we got that. I got Vibra. I got Probopass. Got Igglypuff. Or Igglybuff. Got Swirlix. Got Cricket.
Ew. You see
Got
what are you
Woobat.
watching?
Got Ducklet. Got Helioptile. In the reverse rower, we got a Phenom.
That looks cool.
And for the rare is a Swoobat. Could have done a little better, but for last pack, we got that. And we're gonna open up my son's right now, so we'll get this open for him. And then we'll get into it. For him.
So you can trade after this. I want to trade you for that. for both of these
So we got
geniuses.
that one.
That's not one. Another one. And
And it's the same coin for his as well.
And I got
So we got the Victini and
code.
that's the code as well. So
I know how to do it better than you. They're just gonna be here, man.
alrighty. Okay, let's get into this one.
I'm gonna open it.
I'll open it for him and then he'll do the whole shebang boom.
Shebang Boom? Which one is that from? I'm just gonna read it from this character. Okay.
Alright, so we got the code. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so there's the energy.
So
So we got the lightning. So
lightning.
you wanna try and hold it right there. Alrighty, and keep on going. Alright, so we got that one.
Rapidash
By Brava.
by Brava.
Golett. We got Dupiter.
No, Jupiter.
Oh, we got
Apom.
Apom.
Onyx.
T-Pig.
T-Pig.
For the reverse, we got Tropus, and for the rare, we got a Dusai, if I'm saying that right.
Probably not. I'll go get my.
Alrighty. And then we'll get into this one.
And then, no, I'm doing the last one.
And then we'll get into this one.
So did it start with a D?
He's just looking up in his Pokemon book.
Can't
Okay,
see
so
that.
we got that, and then we'll do the 1, 2, 3, 4 to put that.
Dash and J.
Energy on top. We
Dash
got
and I.
energy. You got leaf energy. And then so we got Lily's full force. Ends resolve. Got Larvesta. Trapnich. Oddish. Definitely taking the
Cute.
little artwork. Rufflet.
Oh, I'm like Rufflet.
Piplup.
Piplup. I have that one, but it's a different kind.
We got Alolan
Vulpix.
Vulpix. Got this as a reverse rare. And Charizard and Braxton. Oh my gosh. This card is amazing. Wow. Look at that, folks. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
That is
God.
crazy.
That is crazy. Reverse rare, isn't it?
That's an ultra rare, I think.
Oh, ultra
Leave in the
rare.
comments section below what you think of these pulls. This is the first time we've done this, so this is definitely pretty amazing for us. So let's get into this last pack. Hopefully get some more last pack magic.
Okay. So
And I'll open it for you.
I'm gonna guess it though, so you don't flip it open. 1 hour later. Let me put it in.
So there's the code.
Code.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't flip it open.
And what do you want? What do you think the energy is?
Leaf.
Leaf? Water.
Man. Leaf. No, I think water leaf.
Okay, so we got the energy. We got Misty and
one.
we got Kurla. Got Bisharp.
Oh.
Got Ponyta. I got Sunkern.
Ew. Cosmog
Cosmog.
again.
Got
Psyduck.
Psyduck, who looks very, very sad. Got Trapnich again. Alrighty, we got Sawbuck. Alrighty, and then for this last rare, hopefully get some last pack magic on this. And it is an Alolan Muck.
Wow.
Well, we'll show you the pools for today. And we got some good ones.
I got the best one.
We definitely got that.
But I'm
Alrighty.
having those.
So we got the Blastoise and Piplup. I got that full art. Got Tropus,
I'm showing my
Sawbuck.
the one I got.
Fion, and the Charizard and Braxton.
They're gonna be like.
Alrighty, guys. Well, we'll definitely be opening up some more, and stay tuned for the next episode. And Always hit that subscribe button and that like button as well. And we hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care. Bye.